How to turn on low data mode on iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone and you want to enable low data mode on the iPhone, or you connected to Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi is running out of the metal cap, now you want to enable low data mode, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn on or enable low data mode on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app on your iPhone, make sure your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi whose low data mode you want to turn on. Then here, under the Wi-Fi settings, locate the information icon and click on it. Once you click on the information icon, then come here, you should see low data mode. Low data mode helps reduce your iPhone data usage over your mobile network or specific Wi-Fi network you select. When low data mode is turned on, automatic update and background tasks such as photo syncing are paused. So go ahead and turn on low data mode. Once turned on low data mode, then you are good to go, and you should see low data mode turned on Wi-Fi network. And this is also going to turn on low data mode whenever you are using your mobile service or cellular service on your phone. So that is basically how to enable or turn on low data mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.